back to my channel. So today we are gonna be hopping on the slime train and we are gonna be making Halloween themed slime. Are you ready? So with me, I've got my brother Aaron. Wait, and my friend Ryan. Dude. And let's go ahead and get started. So we've got our Elmer's glue.
Ooh.
We've got some shaving cream.
Lemon lime.
We've got some borax water, and we've got some food coloring. So, here's your guys'.
Mine.
We're gonna start. They're gonna split their glue bottle, and I'm gonna use.
I'll use it. Oh, that's unfair. Can I just use it all?
Aaron,
Fine, I'll put some in yours.
put half of it in his.
Hold on.
That was less
No,
than half.
I haven't put any in mine, so I'm putting some in each. I actually think you have more than me right now.
And since we are in October now, this seems appropriate.
We're about 7 days.
Yeah, we're about 7 days in.
just about.
Well, by the time it comes.
It's October 8th here, so.
True though. By the time it comes, it'll probably be like freaking Thanksgiving.
Right now it's October 8th, but this will probably be going up next week or the week after. And after this video, it'll probably be a few more weeks until I put up another video.
She's slow
She's
at
still
this.
yet to put up all her vlogs. But
I've actually got most of those videos up now.
you got
Not all
like
of
3 days.
You haven't
of it,
put
but-
Okay, now I'm gonna add the shaving cream in now.
Got about 3 of the 11 days in there.
Oh my gosh, that is so cool.
My turn. No, I have to put some in. Oh, it smells good.
It does smell good. I'm gonna use the spoon to mix the glue and the shaving cream.
How much am I supposed to put?
Ryan, you're supposed to be doing
Yeah,
this
you're supposed to
too.
be doing it. Shake it up first. Can I use a spoon?
Yeah, in a minute.
I feel like I'm gonna put either way too much or way too little.
I don't know. Just put whatever you think is good.
Okay, I have no idea.
Whatever you want.
Which one?
I need it.
Wait.
There.
Okay. If you guys have gone and watched my trip vlogs from this summer, please give this video a big
Yeah,
thumbs up right now. And comment trip video down below.
Yeah, take this stuff off my hands.
I know, it'll start to come off after.
It's so cool.
Trying to put as much
I'm gonna
as I can
use
my hands onto the
Orange food coloring or coloring or.
Ooh, there's some in here.
There you go. Alright.
I'm not gonna add a lot at first. I'm just gonna add some and see how it looks.
I'm adding more, which was already.
Okay. Let's see how bright this orange gets. Look at it. It's already like touched and it's super bright.
Yeah, sorry.
A lot, just a little bit.
Next time I'll give you the food coloring.
Well, I asked you. Wait. No, I didn't.
No, you didn't. Okay.
Hey,
this is gonna
Sydney.
be enough. So this really hasn't. I think mine's the only one that's kind of got some Halloween.
I feel
in
like I
it.
needed more water in this.
You should put
Mine
some-
looks like a freaking Van Gogh painting.
It actually does.
Show them then.
Give them a close up of it.
Go up to it.
No.
Here's what mine looks like right now. Look at this.
Can see
Look
my-
at my hands. It's actually not that bad now.
This is so fun.
I've got some blue in it from yours.
We need to do a ton of slime videos. This is fun. Didn't expect it.
I'm
to be
actually
this
putting in another color now.
You want to put Do you want some sparkles in it too, Ryan?
Yes.
Here we go. My slime looks like. Aaron, your hand is like crazy blue. Ryan added some more coloring to his.
No, he didn't.
And it's starting to look more like a Halloween theme.
His probably.
And we were gonna add sparkles to it, so put yours back down in the bowl so we can put the sparkles in. Aaron, watch out.
That's gonna look really cool, Ryan.
Yeah.
Okay, mix that in and see if we need to add more. Hold on. You want me to show them?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ryan.
So,
What?
with the sparkles right now, this is what it looks like. They're green sparkles. And
It looks like mine's gone through like hell and back.
your hands, my hands are like the least amount stained.
Sid. Can you add glitter?
You want glitter in yours?
Yeah.
Okay. Put it down in the bowl. Put it down in the bowl.
Now.
Tell me when to stop.
Okay.
Go up and show them what yours looks like with that there. I'm not gonna add glitter to mine because mine I'm actually pretty proud of, and I've already got some glitter in it from my fingers.
The way I do it is just kind of like rink it.
And with Ryan's now, I'm gonna move this.
It's
pumpkin
got
out of the
every
way.
single color in it.
It does. Let's add some.
What was your base color?
It was
So in-
orange and yellow.
So in here we've got some like little critters and stuff like that. And I think we're
This is
gonna-
Let me
fun.
see if I add any other color, if it changes.
Let's add a spider to Ryan's, and so he can.
Put it in mine.
You want it, the spider in yours, or do you want the finger in yours?
I want the spider.
Okay, Ryan, you're gonna get a finger in yours.
That's
Let's see. Where did we put the finger?
wait, I'm trying to see if having the color changes anything.
Okay. I think you're done with.
Sydney, we need to do holiday versions, like every
Yeah,
holiday.
we really should. So look out, almost every holiday that comes, we're gonna try to get a slime video done for that specific time. So like, this is fall or Halloween themed. I think Ryan's is.
What? Oh.
Is working pretty well for fall, actually. I think his purple is really cool for fall.
I'm really trying.
You've dyed my finger purple!
Wait, do you think mine would dye your
Okay,
finger?
how do you,
Try- it already
how do you
has.
think how bad my fingers are under this?
Oh, really, really bad. They've got to be super bad, right? And my borax was all clumped at the beginning, too. This is so cool. I'm going to add a little bit of
Oh my
shimmer.
god,
in
my
them.
hands are freaking extremely purple.
I know.
So like underneath the slime.
Yeah, you can see them,
Yeah,
right?
I'm putting a little bit of shimmer into mine, and
I thought you said you didn't like that.
I know, but there's already some in it anyway.
Okay, thumbnail.
Ready?
There you go.
Ready for the thumbnail there? Ready? Are you ready?
Follow me
Yes.
Are you gonna put it on your face for this?
Yes.
Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Aaron, put it on your face. Okay.
Don't go. Oh, this should just be soap now.
Okay. So, Aaron, go up and show them yours, because we're gonna head up and we're gonna finish up this video.
Ooh, wait. Have Ryan show his first.
Ryan, you wanna take your glop of
Glove or whatever that is.
Do you wanna retry a thumbnail where you're doing a thumbs down with yours?
Wait,
Like,
oh my god, it's like all coming over the side.
I know it's overflowing.
Mine's not as
I'm really
bad.
hoping this doesn't stay in the table.
Oh,
Oh,
we would get in so much trouble.
I would die.
This will be our slime table.
Oh my gosh, hold on. Move this out of the way.
Considering it's dye.
Aaron! Oops.
This thing.
Oh, this is so cool. I love this. I'm so glad I decided to hop on this train.
I feel like this has like officially gotten larger than ever.
Okay,
Wait,
Aaron, turn your head. Turn your head. Look at this blue mess right here.
Let's see how it tastes.
No.
No,
Oh.
this is not edible
I love
slime.
how we were all like, no.
Well, not all of us.
Oh no.
Take a look just at how messy this is. It actually looks like Halloween in here.
God.
And then Aaron. No, don't do that.
How are we gonna clean this up? Just asking.
We'll clean it up. Ryan, pull yours apart. Guys, we've had, ooh, let me put the screen back up.
There it is. Oh my god. This is like, dang.
Mix it, Ryan.
So, we've had a little bit of camera trouble because our stuff has died on us. Would you like more glitter? Is that what you asked for?
Yes.
Yes.
Hold on, let me switch this.
I can't get
Ready?
this off me.
Can't get it off of you. It should be coming off.
Thank you for putting glitter on my hand.
You're welcome.
Oh,
No,
there.
but I think mine is the only one that is actually complete. And I have fluffy slime that is actually really cool.
I really just need to wash my hands.
Okay, Ryan, you asked for a paper towel.
Not right now.
Also, you had a lot more glue.
Yeah.
Because his is completely,
Destroyed.
it looks like Halloween threw up on your bucket, just with purple.
Might look like that.
With the blue, look at this blue face here. Aaron, turn your head.
Oh my god, like it's a lot at this point. How the hell?
How did it? Your nails are stained. It looks like you painted your nails.
Sid.
Yours are as
I
bad
feel
as
like
you,
my
Ryan's.
Halloween things.
Okay.
Imagine what your mom's gonna say. Wait, did you let Sid paint your nails?
He's gonna let,
Yeah.
he's gonna let me do his makeup for Halloween anyway, so
Yeah.
might as well paint his nails too.
No, that's not how it works.
Yeah, that's exactly how it works. Oh, comment down below if you want to see Sid make do makeup on Ryan. That would be a video. Or if you want to see me do makeup on her.
Yeah, if you want to see my brother do my makeup, comment that down.
We need to do both versions. Me and Aaron.
Friend does my makeup,
Yeah.
brother does my makeup.
Yeah.
Sure ruin the water. It's turning like
No! Mine's still not as
How do you do bloopers?
Oh, you just put them in.
now. You guys can go up and show them how your slime works.
Hey, mine's not that bad.
Go up and show them. Yours is like create a name for yours. Mine's gonna be pumpkin pie slime. There's just no scent to it.
Well, that ate everything. Oh, it doesn't even fall down.
It's not even focusing.
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 Mine, you gotta pull it away more. Mine's, I'm gonna name it pumpkin pie slime because I have the pumpkin sitting here. And it's actually, I think, almost
Make it into the shape of a pie.
A pie? I don't think I can do that. Brian, what is yours called?
The blob that ate everything.
No.
Bring it up there and show them.
No, he should add more glitter and call it Galaxy.
Oh, you could. You want to add more glitter?
I want to add more glitter.
You want more glitter?
A lot.
This is the most excited I've ever seen guys get over glitter.
A lot.
I'm not excited, but
More.
yeah,
Are you
More.
is yours gonna be the ocean, Aaron?
More.
obviously.
Yeah.
So mine is the most fall themed then because his is just getting darker and darker as it goes.
No, he's calling it the witch face.
Okay. Okay. But yeah,
That's not bad.
as we finish up, or as they finish up making this video, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Bye, guys.